Hi, and I know there are many students and parents who cannot afford private medical colleges in India but still want to pursue MBBS in a country that feels very similar to India and is located close to home. If you are one of them, then MBBS in Nepal can be an excellent option for you. Whenever Indian students and parents think about studying MBBS abroad, one of the biggest concerns is distance from home and the protection, the cultural differences. And here is exactly where Nepal stands out. Nepal is one of the most preferred destinations for Indian medical aspirants because of almost everything there feels familiar. The biggest advantage is proximity to India. Students remain close to their families and can travel easily whenever required. Apart from that, the safety is there. The Nepal offers several important benefits. No visa is required for Indian citizens. Nepal is a visa-free country for Indians. Free movement between India and Nepal in many situations. Even a passport is not mandatory for the disease patterns are very similar to India. Medical curriculum is closely followed as the Indian system. Teaching method is almost identical to Indian medical colleges. And there is protection, safety for the student, very close to the family. Because of these similarities, students find it easier to adapt, both academically and socially. The MBBS duration in Nepal is exactly similar to India. 4.5 years academic study, 1 year internship, 5.5 years total duration for the course. This helps students avoid complications that often arise due to the different course structures in some other countries. One of the most common questions asked from the student is what will be the total expense, how will be the fee will be paid, can fees be paid after reaching Nepal, is online payment possible compared to the other countries such as Russia, Kazakhstan, Georgia and few others. Nepal is slightly more expensive. But why? The reason is very important. Because Nepal offers better familiar Indian students environment, similar disease patterns as India, clinical exposure closer to the Indian healthcare system, teaching methods aligned, the Indian medical education, strong FMGE, NEXT preparation environment. And moreover, it is like the war situation is there, so like Nepal is very safe option, close to the home. The tuition fee for MBBS in Nepal generally starts from approximately 50 lakh for the complete course. Additionally, hostel and the living expense may range around 10,000 to 15,000 per month. Therefore, the student should plan an overall budget of 60 lakh. Many parents ask, if we are spending 60 lakh, why not to choose a private medical college in India? The answer is very simple. The level of education that may cost more than 1 crore in many private Indian medical colleges can often be obtained in Nepal at around 16 lakh. आप जो एजुकेशन चाहते हैं, जो आपको इंडिया में 1 करोड़ से ऊपर की मिलेगी, वो लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन आपको नेपाल में 60 लाख के अतिरिक्त मिल जाएगी. This cost benefit advantage is one of the most major reasons why thousands of Indian students choose Nepal every year. Another very important point that students should know, the total number of seats available internationally in Nepal for international students is around 550 to 600 seats only. Because of this limited seat availability, students should begin their admission process planning very early. One more important factor is that the first year fee requirement. Most of the colleges collect fees in a multiple installments. Generally, the first installment ranges between 18 lakh to 20 lakh. Therefore, while planning your MBBS journey in Nepal, you have to arrange 20 lakh for your first year installment. And yes, can you practice in India after MBBS in Nepal? Yes, you can. After completing MBBS from Nepal, in the applicable regulations, student can return to India, appear for the required licensing examination such as NEXT as per the prevailing regulations, and pursue medical practice in India. The eligibility criteria for MBBS in Nepal is absolutely straightforward. The minimum 50% marks in physics, chemistry, bio in class 12. NEET qualification is mandatory. However, there is one important point. Unlike some countries like previous year, NEET qualification may be accepted. Nepal doesn't. Nepal generally requires students to qualify NEET in the current admission year. The current admission year NEET score is absolutely required. Although admission is possible with qualifying marks, students aiming for better colleges should target a strong NEET score. A score of around 200 plus marks is generally considered a safer range for the MBBS in Nepal. The admission process in Nepal is quite structured and resembles the Indian counseling system. Since seats are limited, students should begin the admission process early. After selecting the preferred college, an admission letter is issued by the institution. Students are generally required to deposit a token amount ranging between 1 lakh to 5 lakh. The payment should always be made directly to the official account of the university. Payment options generally include bank transfer, direct institutional payment, other official payment channels approved by the college. Student must complete registration under Nepal's official medical admission system. Nepal conducts counseling in a manner similar to India. In most cases, students are required to be physically present during the counseling process. So you have to be physically present there. After counseling and seat allotment, students pay the first year fee and officially join the medical college. Although the process may initially seem complicated, proper guidance can make it simple and hassle-free. If you are looking for a medical education system similar to India, want to say, stay close to home, avoid major language barriers and study in a NMC recognized environment, MBBS in Nepal can be very strong option for you.